Ready to permanently banish your digital alter ego from Snapchat on your Android device? Let's dive in. First things first, you can't actually delete your account directly through the Snapchat app itself. You'll need to do this through a web browser. Open your preferred web browser on your Android phone and navigate to the Snapchat account deletion page. A quick search for delete Snapchat account will get you there instantly. You'll be prompted to log into your Snapchat account. Enter your username and password, the same ones you use to access the app. Once logged in, you'll see a page titled Delete My Account. Carefully read the information provided about what happens when you delete your account, including the temporary deactivation phase. To confirm your request, you'll need to re-enter your username and password in the designated fields on this page. Then, simply tap the Continue button to proceed with the deletion process. After you confirm, your account will be deactivated. This means your friends won't be able to see you or snap with you for 30 days. During this 30-day period, your account is in a grace period. If you change your mind, you can log back into your account to reactivate it. However, if you don't log back in within those 30 days, your account and all your data will be permanently deleted from Snapchat servers. And that's it. Your Snapchat account is now on its way to permanent deletion. Remember, patience is key for that final, irreversible step.